On to the new parts. I've explained before, we use a build sheet. Everything that goes into the engine, we keep track of it. You get all the job numbers and customer details, and we work strictly on serial numbers as well, so that the customer knows that it's his engine. We send it, all the paperwork to him if he needs it. So everything goes on there, all the parts coming from different suppliers. We've got so many suppliers these days that we use for spare parts. All the critical parts we try to use the genuine Deutz part. If it's out of stock, we cannot hold our manufacturing line, so we need to use an alternative part. We also explain that to the customer, and the customer pays less for a part like that. There's nothing wrong with it. We just like to use the more expensive ones, but like I said, if it's out of stock, it's out of stock. We need to carry on with those parts.